Mental Health Series, Week 6, Food. Our sixth doctor is food. We are what we eat because the foods we choose are collections of molecules passing along information and messages throughout our body. The energy, composition, and spirit of food becomes a part of us. Proteins. They are vital in the maintenance of body tissue, serve as a major source of energy, are involved in the creation of hormones, help create body functions that involve the interaction of several organs, and form antibodies that help prevent infection, illness, and disease. Hair, skin, eyes, muscles, and organs are all made from protein. Carbohydrates. They provide energy, control stress response, provide brain power and focus, help eliminate toxins, give our muscles power to move, and help our heart beat. Fats. They help keep us warm, protect our organs and body parts, power up the brain and nervous system, put out the fire of inflammation, carry vitamins through digestion, and support healthy cell membranes. Fake food is like a foreigner who doesn't speak your body's language, roaming the body without an itinerary with messages that don't translate. Your body does its best to neutralize it, but those messages can lead to imbalances. In conclusion, the messages we send our bodies through food is very important. When we eat processed foods like hydrogenated fats, GMOs, and artificial sugars, our body needs to work harder to perform its usual functions. Top 5 takeaways. 1. Eat real whole foods. 2. Balance your protein, fats, and carbs choices. 3. Take 2 full breaths in between spoonfuls. 4. Chew your food. Slow down and enjoy what you are becoming. 5. Try a vegetable you have never eaten or a spice that looks and smells amazing to you. Week 6 actions. Observe which foods you crave and how they might affect your body. Make it a point to eat meals that consist of sugarless, organic, whole foods and lots of vegetables. Be mindful of how you fuel your body and the many choices you